Good morning, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Jackson, and we are going to do some more writing. Remember, we have been working on our writing piece about something that makes us sad or mad. We started with a writing piece together, a shared writing, and then yesterday you started your own stories about something that makes you sad or mad. So today we're going to look at adding some information to our stories. Let's look at our objective. Okay, our learning target is I can add details to my writing and illustration. And our success criteria is I will read what I have already written and add details to my writing and illustration. And the relevance is when you add more ideas to your writing piece, your story becomes more interesting and complete. So we are going to add details to our writing and illustration today. So let's look at what we already have done together. We started again with our list of ideas, our brainstorming list. And then we wrote, I feel mad when I drop my sandwich on the ground, especially when it's my favorite kind, peanut butter and jelly. My sandwich is all dirty. There is nothing left to eat. Now that was 4 good sentences, and I could stop there, but I'm thinking, I really want a sandwich, so how can I get a sandwich? I'm thinking of something I could add to my story to make it even more complete. Well, I can make myself another sandwich or ask my mom to make me another sandwich, and I can eat the new sandwich so that I'm not hungry. And then I probably wouldn't be as mad or upset or sad. So I'm going to add to my story. I will ask my mom to make me a new sandwich. Let's add that. I will ask my mom to make me a new sandwich. And I can even add another sentence. I can say, then I will be happy. So I started off, I feel mad when I drop my sandwich on the ground. So I'm going to end my story with saying that now I'm going to be happy. I'm going to change that whole feeling around from being mad to happy. So let's add that. I will be happy if I have a new sandwich. Okay? So of course you can see I wrote around my picture because I drew my picture in the way of my writing words. But normally we wouldn't have a large space there. So I feel mad when I drop my sandwich on the ground, especially when it's my favorite kind, peanut butter and jelly. My sandwich is all dirty. There is nothing left to eat. I will ask my mom to make me a new sandwich. I will be happy if I have a new sandwich. So I have changed my feeling from being mad to being happy because now I have my favorite sandwich to eat. Now, we can also add to our illustrations. You see my illustration here? I have a sad face. But I'm going to draw another picture of me with a new sandwich in my hand, and I'm going to be happy. So I'm going to add that because it tells my story. So let's put Another picture of Mrs. Jackson here with a big smile on my face. And there's my peanut butter and jelly sandwich. So I have added to my words of my story, and I have added to my illustration. Now on your paper, you have the top section of your paper to draw your illustration, and then your lines underneath to write, so that yours won't be separated like this. But we are looking at adding details to our writing and illustrations. So what I want you to do today is to go back to your piece that you wrote yesterday about what makes you mad or sad. You should already have 4 good sentences. I want you to add something. Add a sentence or 2 to your writing, just like we just did here. You can make yours change your feelings from mad and sad to happy, okay? So you are going to add 1 or 2 sentences to your writing and then add something to your illustration. So we are editing and adding details to our story. Read your words really well. Make sure everything is spelled correctly. You have capitals to begin, periods to end, and spaces between your words, and that you have written as neatly as you can. When you're finished, I want you to take a picture or show us a video reading your story. We can't wait to see how your story changes and what you add to your story. See you soon.